Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing some free makeup products that I got from Wish. I've done a couple of Wish videos before. I did 2 Wish wig hauls, but I will leave those up in the iCards for you guys to check out my Wish app wig hauls. But today we are testing free makeup products from Wish. The way that Wish works is they ship everything individually, so an item will be listed as free, and when you click on it, like only certain shades will be free, and you still have to pay shipping on each individual item. So I picked up 3 things, and I think it technically cost me like $6 or something like that with shipping, but all of the items were listed as free, and I will link them all down below if I can find them, but they may not be free anymore. I ordered these like months and months and months ago, and they finally are all here. Let's just get right into the 3 products that I have. Okay, so the first little guy that I ordered, this is the 3D Glitter Eyeshadow Palette Gel Metallic Liquid Pigment Nude Eyeshadow Highlighter Shining Makeup. It's this little unicorn oil that has been going viral. So right now this is $5, but I did get this for free, and I got the shade, I'm guessing from here it's their shade like 4 or 5. The next thing I got is a lipstick. So this here is the One Piece Sexy Women Girl Lip Gloss Liquid Lipstick Long Lasting Cosmetic 18 Colors Matte Lip Gloss. Oh, it's still free, but it is sold out. So they have 18 colors, and I got the shade 1. I got number 1. Okay, so it's from the brand Pudaye. I really have no idea how to pronounce this, but it is a tiny little matte liquid lipstick. And it comes in this like a little square plastic bottle with the red cap. And last but not least, this one took so freaking long. The other 2 were delivered at the end of November, and this guy did not get here until January 3rd. So this is the 10 Colors Shimmer Matte Natural Fashion Eyeshadow Makeup Light Eyeshadow Cosmetic Set with Brush Novo Eye Makeup Palette 1 piece. And this guy is still free. So they have a couple of different shades. I got this one here, I think. It's like the warm one. So this is the brand Fashion La Mela. It's a 10 color eyeshadow palette. Comes in this little sleek package. And so this is what it looks like. It's kind of like rosy brown. Oh, there's my little brush. Comes with this little brush. And yes, it has all these like rosy brown tones. And they're all just numbered. So there's eyeshadow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I did all of my makeup today, except for obviously my eyes, my highlighter, and my lips. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. First, I'm just going to go in with the unicorn oil. I did swatch this. It was on my Snapchat story like a long time ago. So I'm just going to pop a little dollop on my hand here and blend that out. So that is what it looks like there. Honestly, it's really pretty. I didn't apply any powders on my face just in case this kind of like moves them around. I'm just going to do a couple of dots on here, and I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Okay, so apparently it dries down really fast. So now I just kind of have a white smear across my face. I'm just going to apply a little bit more and just like rub it in with my finger, maybe pat it in. Okay, so it's very patchy. It doesn't want to like blend at all. I'm just gonna try the other cheek here. It's like basically where you put it on, that's just like where it stays. And now I'm just gonna pat it out. Okay, so if you get it blended out really, really fast, then you do kind of get a shimmer. But again, it does kind of like stick in areas. Definitely not my favorite. I think this side looks kind of nice, but yeah, you kind of really have to blend it out super duper fast, and I did not blend it out as fast as I wanted to on this side. It just kind of stuck. Okay, so honestly not horrible. Let's just go into the eyeshadow palette. These pans are itty bitty. Okay, so I have my eyes primed. And now I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of set that with number 9. Now I'm just gonna go back in with number 9. I'm just gonna blend that into the crease. And then just on this same brush, I'm gonna take number 6, which is this kind of like taupey brown color here. And I'm just gonna apply that just under there to darken the crease a little bit. Okay, so now we have like a kind of warm crease going on. I'm just gonna take a little bit of number 1, which is this dark shimmering brown, and I'm just gonna pack that into the outer corner just to deepen the look a little tiny bit. Okay, so honestly, these aren't blending terribly. They're not like super pigmented, but I mean, you can definitely build up a nice color to them. So now I'm just gonna take number 7, which is a shimmery peachy champagne color, and I'm just gonna pack that onto the eyelid. Okay, I'm just gonna take that little sponge brush that they give you. I'm just gonna take this little guy and dip in there. So I'm just gonna try and get as much shimmery pigment as I can. Okay, so it's a very natural kind of look, but I mean, it's overall not too bad. Now I'm just taking that like darker crease shade again and just darkening and blending out a little bit. And then a little bit of that dark brown again, just to pop into the outer corner. Okay, now on the other end of that little sponge applicator it came with, I'm taking number 10, which is a really light shimmering color, and I'm just putting that into the inner corner of the eye. And I will take that a little bit just under the brow bone. And then once again, I'm just taking this is just an empty brush, there's nothing on it. And I'm just blending out those edges. And I'm just taking the crease shade again and just blending everything together. So now onto the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take that dark brown again and smoke that out on the lower lash line. And then I'm just taking that crease shade again and just blending all of that together. Alright, so there's the eye look I created. Now onto lips. Hopefully this lip color will go with the eye look I created. But this is the shade number 1 again, like I said, and it comes on this little dough applicator. Alright, so let's just pop this guy on. Alright guys, so this is the look I created using the free products that I got from Wish. Let's just do a little rundown. So first of all, the unicorn oil, I don't really think I'll be using this again. I think it looked really nice on this side of my face, but like I said, it clings to the skin, and if you don't blend it out really, really fast, it dries down. The eyeshadow palette, I'm actually not mad at. It's not super duper pigmented, but you are able to build up the colors and get a decent look. I wish the shimmers were more pigmented, but the mattes are pretty good. And yeah, you can create a little decent look with this guy here. And last but not least is the lipstick. I think that this is a really pretty color. It's kind of like a rosy peach color. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but first impressions, it's pretty nice. It does feel a little bit dry, but again, I have really, really dry lips anyways, but it doesn't feel too bad, and considering it's free, I'm not gonna be mad at that. So that is all the free products that I have from the Wish app. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.